Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I've come up with another video. So you can take the screenshot of the problem if you want, and we need to write a query to find the first day of the most recent job of every employee and return it as the recent job. And we have two tables basically here, a job table, employees table and a job history table. We need to return the column first name and the recent job. Uh, okay. So So employee ID column we will get from the employees table and the job ID column will be needed from the job history table. So we need both of the table in this scenario also. So let me just start writing the query from first day of the most recent job of every employee and return it as the recent job. So from employees table as EMP, join job history table as GH on job history dot employee underscore ID is equals to emp dot employee underscore ID, and then select emp dot first name, and then for the recent and for the date we will need to write the we'll need to find the last value of the we need to find the like most first day of the most recent job of every employee. Got it? So we need to first day of the most recent job of every employee. So we need to return the higher date column in that case. So we need to first start date. Got it? So we can use start date and end date in that, and we can use the first day of the most recent job. So we can use which column? Start date column. Gh dot start date. Gh dot start date. Here we can use the like first value function over partition by gh dot employee ID order by gh dot start date DESC, because we need to find the first date of the most recent job. Got it? And yeah, and here we need to write range between and here we need to write range between unbounded, preceding, and unbounded following. As recent job, got it? I think this is fine now. So let me hit this submit button now. Mm, okay, this should be in order by first name, order by first name, and I mean order by one ASC, Now this should be fine. Why range between unbounded preceding and unbounded following? Because otherwise it will consider the cumulative values. It will not write that. Oh, still wrong. Why? Why it is still wrong? Here we have used last date of the j dot a partition by order by j dot start date from employees join job history order by one. Here we have written distinct keyword. Why distinct keyword we have used? Because we are employee ID and on the employee ID column we are. But you don't need like distinct keyword with these function. No, we need that because we are doing the first value, nth value, last value. So in that scenarios, we use distinct. So where do we not use distinct? Okay. Mm. Row number, rank, dance rank, lag, lead, and attire. Where this thing makes sense with where you want one row per partition. For per partition, we need one row. But for per partition, we need one rows. Then we use distinct function. Mhm. Mostly in like row number and rank, we don't use the distinct lag lead because these depend on individual row position. Removing rows change their meaning. So do we use do we need all the do we know that this for basically for ranking function and lag lead? Yes. So for ranking function and lag lead, we do not need basically for ranking function like rank, dancer, and row number, entire, lag, and lead. We do not use the range function also, and we do not need distinct keyword also. But for this is the since this is the last value, first value function, so we'll need distinct keyword here. That's why. Let me just hit the submit button. Yeah, here we go. The output is correct now. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please do hit the like button. Please share the video as much as possible, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, everyone.